Привет, and welcome to the University of Moscow's biology class on the cell. In this video, you will be given basic knowledge on the makeup of the cell and the functions and purposes of various structures and organelles within the cell itself. The first organelle in the lesson is the nucleus. The nucleus is a large organelle that controls cell activities and contains DNA and RNA. The nucleus is surrounded by a selectively permeable nuclear membrane that controls movements of materials in and out of the nucleus. Inside of the nucleus is the nucleolus, whose primary function is to create proteins such as this to go out through the cell to perform various tasks. The nucleolus is also the primary structure responsible for transcription and processing of ribosomal RNA. The next organelle that we will find is the lysosome. The lysosome is mostly found in animal cells. It is small and round with a single membrane layer. The function of the lysosome is to break down larger food molecules into smaller particles, and it also digests old cell parts and wastes. Unfortunately, at the time of the filming of this video, the lysosome was closed. The Soviet Department of Health and Biology Bureau sends its most sincere apologies. Here we have the cell membrane. It is a double layer of phospholipids and proteins which is selectively permeable. It supports, protects, and controls the movement of materials in and out of the cell and is a barrier between the cell and its environment. And here we have a centriole. This is unique to animal cells and facilitates cell division by separating chromosome pairs during mitosis. Here we see a microtubule, and this is a microfilament. The purpose of these two structures are to strengthen the cell and help the cell maintain its shape. It also facilitates the movement of organelles within the cell body itself. The next cell structure covered by this video is the endoplasmic reticulum, which is a network of tubes or membranes that connects the nuclear envelope to the cell membrane. It carries materials throughout the cell and aids in the process of making proteins. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum: the smooth, as seen here without ribosomes, and the rough, which is embedded with ribosomes. Next we have the Golgi Apparatus. The Golgi Apparatus is a stack of flattened sacs whose main purpose is to modify proteins made by the cell, then package and export the proteins to different organelles within the cell. We will now go over chloroplast, which is unique to plants and algae. It is a green, oval-shaped organelle containing chlorophyll that uses energy from the sun to make glucose for the plant. This process is called photosynthesis, and during this process, the plant releases oxygen into the atmosphere. The next organelle in this lesson is the mitochondrion. The mitochondrion is a peanut-shaped, double-membraned organelle that breaks down glucose molecules to release energy and is the site of aerobic cellular respiration. The mitochondrion is also referred to as the powerhouse of the cell. The final organelle covered in this lesson is the vacuole, which is a large fluid-filled sac. It is the largest organelle in the plant cells, and its purpose is to store food, water, and metabolic and toxic wastes. On behalf of the Bureau of Health and Biology of the Soviet Union, I thank you for watching this video.